one says, Shalom Kulav, how long should be the distance between husband and wife when they're outside? The scene would be in the diaspora, in a place or a neighborhood where people are very anti-Semitic and ignorant about Judaism or Yehud laws. And if the couple keep the distance that Allah teaches, it could be causing Hilul HaShem, since these goyim, idolaters people, would think the couple is or are Muslims instead. Instead they're fulfilling a mitzvah. Thank you very much. Torah.
Okay. So the distance is just not to touch, right? So when a person walks with his wife in public, so he should be a little in front and she should be a little behind. That's it. So he cannot follow his wife. He should be a little behind. It's like whatever distance, whatever comfortable. Right, but of course, very comfortable, but not without touching. So many minutes, and somebody stops suddenly, the another person is not going to bump into him or her. That's the thing. So, but whatever other people think, they would think whatever they would make up. Right, but right, it's normal. So not everybody have to hold hands like all the secular people hold hands or hug each other on the street. No.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So it's not Yichud issue, it's actually modesty issue. It's not Yichud. Yichud is something else.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.